Learning how to create a V-stitch. First, you want to chain a number that's a multiple of 3, and then you want to add 1 to that. Turn your work, and you want to go into the 4th chain from your hook. In the 4th chain, create a double crochet. Skip the next space for the next chain and do 2 double crochets in the chain after that. Creating 2 double crochets in the same space is a V-stitch. Continue to create V-stitches until you reach the end of your row, and you're going to do so by skipping a chain and doing 2 double crochets into the next chain. At the end of your row, create 1 double crochet or a half V in the last chain of your row. For your turning chain, you want to chain 3 up. Turn your work around and go into your 3rd chain from your hook.